Just jump straight into this video, man. As y'all can see, my hair has grown, like that junk grown. But I gotta let y'all know what you should and should not do, man. Cause I made some mistakes, as you can see. I mean, it's not bad, but I just don't want y'all to make the same mistakes. So listen, first of all, I need to tell y'all what not to do. Don't do it. I'm sorry, bruh. I know I told y'all in the past to do this, but don't.
Stupid!
Do-rags pat your hair down. So by your hair being matted down, it stops the frizziness from your hair rubbing against the bed. It don't matter if you got dreads or not. It stops the frizziness from showing, but your hair is matted down. What happens? In the long run, hair loss, bro. Hair loss, bro. My fucking dreads, they fell out, bro. This is my hair. My hair fell out, bro. Yo, don't do it. I'm telling you, don't throw the do-rag away. Don't do it, bro. Another thing not to do, stop washing your hair so much. When I first started growing my dreads, I used to wash my hair every 2 days, bro.
Stupid!
Wash your hair, as bad as this may sound, once a month for dreads. If you got like regular curly hair, once a week is recommended. Just don't wash your hair too much, man. It's not necessary. Next thing, for my dread heads, man, stop getting retwists so often. I'm guilty of this because I do model, so I try to look fresh for my photo shoot, and it causes, well, now I repaired them, but it causes thin dreads, like your dreads to get thin, and they could easily fall out. Chill on the retwist, man. You could go rough for a little bit. I did it. I'm doing it now. Right now I'm gonna do 3 months, bro. I'm gonna go 3 months. It's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna go 3 months. 3 months without getting a retwist. I had to say that 3 times because this shit about to be hard for me. But I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it. We'll get on a positive note, and we gonna say what you should do while growing your hair. You should just let that bitch grow. Just don't add too much shit to your hair. Don't add too much chemical to your hair. Don't add too much grease. Don't brush it. Don't, just let it grow. Let it grow. Just let it do its own thing. That's it. Feel me? That's rule number 1. Number 2 is shampoo and conditioner. shampoo and condition your hair, man. Don't be doing all these methods you see on YouTube with baking soda and lime, and well, I'm guilty of telling y'all that to put bleach in your hair, but y'all know I was joking, man. You feel me? When you shampoo your hair, condition it. So after shampooing, I know they say you don't need to condition your dreads. It's gonna cause bullshit. Hair is hair. Shampoo and condition. Okay, if you shampoo without conditioning, your hair follicles are gonna stay open, and that causes more dirt to go into your hair. So you want to condition to close the hair follicles. So, third thing is, especially for my dreadheads, keep your hair moisturized. When I say moisturize, I don't mean add a whole bunch of products to your shit. Just spray it, mist it, sit with some water. I got some coconut and lime oil in here. It's like hair oil. It's not that it's not that major. Just don't add like a whole bunch of shit. Like, do like your favorite moisturizing cream or oil, and just add some water to it. Like, add a lot of water to it, and just spray it all over your hair. And you can do that daily, because your hair is like a plant. It needs moisturizing. Don't let it get dry. And when you shower, dry your hair. Don't just let it air dry all the time. You gotta dry it, like damp it, get it dry. If not, your hair is gonna rot. My channel is still alive, man. I mean, I ain't going nowhere. Like, y'all gonna see me on YouTube till I'm 40. I lied, nigga. I'm not gonna be on this bitch till I'm 40. But I know I'ma love y'all for the rest of my life. Like, I'ma never forget, you feel me, YouTube. But anyways, not to get sentimental and shit, but y'all drop in the comments, man. Y'all back, man. You know, dropping them comments, TY back, and I said this for like 5 times that I'm back, but I do have a kid now. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have a kid. You know I like working out. You know I do other things besides YouTube. So, you know I have a life. But I still love y'all, and I still try to give y'all content. So, you got no other choice but to share this video. I'm about to be out of here. Family channel coming soon. It's gonna be litty. We're gonna have challenges, we're gonna have pranks, man. But once I start a family channel, I know it's gonna be more content coming. You feel? You dig?